Okay, so again, our topic for today is all about differentiating linear inequalities and linear equations into variables. So, kung may tag linear inequalities, we're talking about sa kalahian sa linear inequalities and linear equations. Kung may tag two variables, not a equation which has not just one variable, but it includes two variables. Say, for example, 2x plus 3y plus 7. So, that is an equation involving two variables because we have two variables that is present, the x and the y. Now, when we talk about linear inequalities and linear equations, so when we say linear inequalities, we are actually talking or dealing about kanagaling inequalities, they are not equal. So, say for example, x plus y is greater than or equal to 2. That is what we call linear inequalities. But when we talk about linear equations, the symbols that we will be using or we will need to use is about the equal sign. So, equation, which means linear equations, kay equal dapat na. So, linear inequalities, it could be greater than or equal or less than or equal or greater than or less than. So, mo na ang ilang now, for our module here, so after going through this module, you are expected to, can I request someone or, no, ako na lang there. One, distinguish the linear inequalities into variables from linear equations into variables. Two, translate mathematical phrases into mathematical statements of linear equations and inequalities into variables. And three, cite real-life situations that can be represented by linear equations and inequalities into variables. Now, let's start with our discussion here. So this is lesson number 1. It's all about differentiating linear inequalities and linear equations into variables. Now, activity number 1. Express me. Directions. Express the following linear equations into variables into its standard form. Ax plus by equals c. Write your answer in a separate sheet. So, ato daw i-transform ning si 2x equals y minus 3 sa standard form. So, ang standard form nato kay ax plus by equals c. So, what could be the answer for number 1? Ato ni siya i-transform into its standard form. Mahimo siyang it is 2x tapos minus so isunod. Diba, batir ako? Tubag ako, B, kay para makuha na kung mabatir ba ko yung or dili. Mabatir ako? Equal? Sige. So, what could be the answer? It's 2x minus y equals negative 3. The answer for number 1 is 2x minus y equals negative 3. Write it on your notebook. Write it in your notebook, kindly. Number 2. Say answer sa number 2. It could be 4x plus y equals 7. So the answer for number 2 is 4x plus y equals 7. How about number 3? Okay, the answer for number 3 is 8x minus 2y equals 9. Again, the answer for number 3 is 8x minus 2y equals 9. How about number 4? Number 4 is all about, or the answer for number 4 is x minus 2y equals 4. Again, x minus 2y equals 4. Number 5. So the answer for number 5 is x minus 3y equals 7. Again, x minus 3y equals 7. That's the answer for number 5. So how did you find the activity? How did you transform the given equation into its standard form? So, manaman nato po na-discuss last meeting about that. Activity, okay. Number 2, be my partner. So match the verbal statement in column A to the mathematical statement in column B. Write your answers on a separate sheet of paper. You can open your mic, ha. Dili na ko makitaan ang kung mag-chat mo. So you can open your mic if you want to answer this activity. So number 1. 14 more than a number x is greater than 24. 14 more than a number x is greater than 24. What's the letter for number 1? It's letter Letter what? Hala. Wala ko'y nabati. Hello from the other side. It's letter? Uy, nakalimot na mo, ani? It's letter C. 14 more than a number x is greater than 24. Number 2. 7 increased by number x is equal to y. 7 increased by a number x is equal to y. Ha? Letter? Okay, letter D. Letter D kay equal man, no? So, kung may tag-equal kay equal. Kining sa F kay greater than mo na siya. Number 3. Twice the sum of a number x and 7 is 9. Twice the sum of number x and 7 is equal of number x and 7 is 9. Okay, that's letter B, as in boy. Number 4. 7 more than the product of 14 and the number x is less than or equal to 18. Letter E. How about number 5? A number x subtracted from 14 is less than y. A number x subtracted from 14 is less than y. Okay, that's letter A. Okay, number 5 is letter A. That's correct. Okay, now, what is it? So, equations and inequalities are two significant concepts in mathematics that are related. They are different in some ways. So, inequality is a mathematical statement where one expression is not equal to another. So, dili siya equal ang inequality. So, it uses symbols less than, greater than, less than or equal, or not equal. While the equation uses the symbol equal sign, indicating that the value of the expressions from both sides are equal. Ang inequality, kay kini ang mga symbols na ginagamit. Kini. While the equation will only use equal sign. The table below defines the linear equations and linear inequalities in two variables. So see how these two differ from each other under several conditions. So point of differences. In terms of definition, the linear equation is a linear equation in two variables is written in the standard form of ax plus by plus c equals 0, where a, b, and c are real numbers, and the coefficients of x and y represented by a and b respectively are not equal to 0. But when we talk about linear inequality, a linear inequality in two variables is formed when symbols other than equal to, such as greater than or less than, are used to relate two expressions in two variables are involved. Standard form, ingani, ax plus by equals c, mao ni sa linear equation. But ang standard form sa linear inequality, kay we are using different symbols. We have the less than or equal, not equal, o less than or equal. Symbols used, so kini siya nga symbol ra nga itong igamit. So, ang pagkabasa ana is equal to, equals to, is, of, equals. While the symbol for linear inequality is, we can use this 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, natay 5. And kini siya ang tawag kay is less than, is below, is smaller than. Kini ang tawag is greater than, is above, is more than. This one is less than or equal to, is at most, is not to exceed, is maximum. This one is called is greater than or equal to, is at least, is minimum. And this symbol here is called is not equal to. So when we translate verbal statements to mathematical statements, we have first, the sum of a number x and a number y is 24. Or it could be in the mathematical form, x plus y equals 24. Number 2, a number x decreased by y is 24. So when we talk about decrease, we're talking about subtraction or minus. So natay x minus y equals 24. Number 3, the sum of twice a number x and thrice a number y is 30, which means that 2x plus 3y is equals to 30. Number 4, twice a number x decreased by thrice a number y is 30, which means that we have the equation 2x minus 3y equals 30. And for the linear inequalities, so we have number 1, the sum of a number x and a number y is greater than 24, which means that we have x plus y. Diba when we talk about sum, we are talking about addition. You will just have to add x plus y and greater than 24. This is the mathematical symbols, or I mean mathematical sentence. Number 2, a number x decreased by a number y is less than 24. So that is x minus y is less than 24. Number 3, the sum of twice a number x and thrice a number y is at least 30. So we have 2x plus 3y is greater than or equal to 30. Number 4, twice a number x decreased by thrice a number y is at most 30. So we have 2x minus 3y is less than or equal to 30. Is at most 30. So, natin 2x minus 3y. So, ganito is at most kay less than or equal. So, motong is at most. While the greater than or equal kay is at least or is minimum. Now, in terms of the characteristics of the graph, no, pag-abot sa equal, straight line ang naa. But when it comes to linear inequalities, plane or half plane ang ma-form nato. So, these are the sample graphs of linear equations. Y equals negative x plus 1. If you can see, kay line gyud ang ato ma-form. Pero for sample graphs for linear inequality, for example, y is greater than negative x plus y. So, half plane ang ato ma-form here. Or, pwede sad y is greater than or equal to negative x plus 1. So, this could also be the examples here. For graphical solution, set of points on the line. While, sa solution po nato sa linear equations, ka region of points bounded by a line. And the last one is, what are the effects when multiplied or divided by a negative integer? O say mahitabo, when this equation will be multiplied or maybe divided by a negative integer. So for the linear equation, the equality symbol is not changed. It's just the same. But for the linear inequalities, the direction of the inequality symbol is reverse. So mahimo siyang ma-reverse na to siya. Example, let's start with this one. Number 1. Multiplying with negative integers. So linear equation 3x minus 2y equals 6. So when we multiply a negative integers, when we natay 3x minus 2y equals 6, mo ni ang given nato. Thus, we add both sides with negative 3x. We add both sides by negative 3x. So, natay negative 2y, and then negative 3x plus 6 is negative 3x plus 6. And then, we divide both sides by negative 2 para ma-y na lang dire. So, kung nag-divide ta dire negative 2, nag-divide po tag negative 2 sa pikas, or we multiply by negative 1 half. So, naatay y equals 3x over 2 minus 3. Kay 6 divided by 2 is equals to 3 man. So, we arrive an answer which is 9. So, mo ni ang answer nato no na 9. But, if sa linear inequality, 3x minus 2y is greater than 6. So, these are the given. Thus, we add both sides with negative 3x. So, natay, negative 3x. So, mahimo siyang negative 2y. And then, divide both sides by 2. The answer is y is equals to 3x over 2 minus 3. No, madayon is na-change ang iyang direction of the inequality symbol is reverse. Kagaina, simplify equality symbol does not change. Wala na bago ang iyang kuan. Number 2, dividing with a negative integer. So, how about if ang mga linear equations at linear inequality kay ato siya i-divide by a negative integer. So, for example, natay 3x minus 2y is greater than 6. So, we add both sides with negative 3x. So, nag-add tag both sides with negative 3x. We arrive negative 2y, negative 3x plus 6. So, we divide both sides by negative 2. Nag-divide ta og negative 2. So, we arrive an answer of y is less than 3x over 2 minus 3. So, the direction of the inequality symbol is reverse. So, mauto siya ang atong kuan. Mauto ang ato discussion. Nasabtan nga ninyo? Huy! Wala jud, ma'am. Sige. So, let's try to answer this. So, what's more? So, directions below are mathematical statements. Classify these statements in the column where they belong. So, write your answers in a separate sheet of paper. So, first kay, medyo i-classify kung asa ni siya. No, is this a linear equations into variables? Or is this a linear inequality into variables? Unsa man ning y equals 7x plus 21? This is linear equations into variables. How about this one? 3y minus 7 is less than 5x. It's linear inequality. From the word less than. Y equals 5x plus 20, that is linear equations. Kay natay equal. How about y is less than or equal to 7x plus 21? That's linear inequality. How about 10 minus 5y equals 7x? That is linear equation. 3x plus 4y is less than 15, that is linear inequality. Y is greater than 5x plus 20, that is linear inequality. 3y minus 7 equals 5x, that is linear equation. 10 minus 5y is greater than or equal to 7x, that is linear inequality. And the last, 3x plus 4y equals 15 is linear equation. Okay na? Next. Okay, activity number 2. Name me. Murag nindot gud ni na kamo ang magkuan answer. Okay, activity number 2. Name me. Directions. Identify whether the situation represents a linear inequality in two variables or not. So you will just have to write or say Li if it is, and otherwise NLi if it is not a linear inequality. Write your answers on a separate sheet of paper. Again, you write or you say Li if this represents linear inequality in two variables, and you write NLi or you say NLi if this is not a linear inequality, or if this does not represent a linear inequality. Number 1, the difference of the number of a 50 peso tickets and 75 peso tickets is not equal to 200. Li or NLI? NLI. Number 2, the price of a refrigerator R is greater than the price of a washing machine, increased by 850 pesos. NLI from the word greater than. How about number 3? The number of girls in the theater arts club is 3 more than twice the number of boys. The number of girls in the theater arts club is 3 more than twice the number of boys. The answer. The answer. The number of girls in the theater arts club is 3 more than twice the number of boys. Unsa naman jud? Are you sure? Are you really sure? Tanaw na to ang answer sa ubos. Sani? Activity number 2. Okay, para ma-sure ang all. So, activity number 2. So, number 3 is NLI. Not linear inequality. Okay, dili siya linear inequality. Diba katong 3 more than, that's ang sign nga to gamiton anak kay sa galito plus tong 3 more than is man. Number 4, a dozen of oranges added to 2 dozen of apples has a total cost of at most 1,950 pesos. It's Li, it's linear inequality. Ang sa galintong at most, sa galito nga symbol tong at most sa taas. At most. That's less than or equal. Okay, kini nga sign pag natay is at most. So remember that one. Next, number 4 or number 5 pala. The number of red marbles is more than twice the number of yellow marbles. NLI, the number of red marbles is more than twice the number of yellow. Ala, balik. Okay, the answer is, okay, that's Li po. It's Li. Number 5 is Li. Okay, next activity. Let's have activity number 3. What am I? Translate mathematical statements into mathematical sentences of linear equations and linear inequalities in two variables. Write your answer on a separate sheet. So 20 minus 2x is less than y. So what could be your answer? Itong Anam-Anamundi, let's have Byron. You answer number 1, Byron.
We will going to discuss those 5 factors, no?
Answer number 1. Translate this into a mathematical sentence.
For now, we will going to end our lesson. So we're done.